Shortcuts are very, very important in doing this. It's very easy to
I
do.
did, sir.
Okay. So is there anyone who's facing the same difficulty? Then හරිද දැන් නැත්නම් තවත් help එකක් ඕනද? When you type 10 characters, put it, cut and paste it 10 times, then you will get 100 characters. When you have 100 characters, cut and paste it 5 times, you will get 500 characters. When you have 500 characters, just Control A, select, cut, and Control V to paste. Enter Control V to paste. Now you have 1000 characters. When you have 1000 characters, take a copy. Control A will select 1000 characters.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I typed 4,000 characters in 40 lines. The size of it is 3.98 kilobytes and size on disk is 4 kilobytes.
No, I need in bytes. You need to give me in bytes. Right? Tell me in bytes. Okay, 2000 characters. Now I think some of you have done 2000 characters. What is the size? What should be the size? Check and let me know. 2000 characters. Liyala mata kiyan. Actual size. So here I have here 1000 characters. 1000 characters. Right click, properties. 1018 4 KB. Then I made it here. How many lines? How many lines? 20 line means 2000 characters. Right click, properties. Now I can see 2038 and 4096 lines. How you got? Can you tell me how you got? 2000 character means 2000 bytes plus. Yes.
19 multiplied by 2.
19 multiplied by 2. What is the value? 19 into 2? 38.
38.
This is 2038 bytes.
38 bytes.
So let's see practically 2038 here, 2038 bytes. Understood? Then right click. Now how many lines? How many lines? How many lines? 40 lines. Right click, properties.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 2000 in 20 lines, I got 1.99 kilobyte. In bytes, it's 2037. I mean, 2038. Sorry, 2038.
38. 37 is unreliable. That is unbelievable answer.
Why?
It cannot be 2037. It should be 38, right?
Okay, sir.
38. That's otherwise one character is missing. Surely not enter character, but one character is missing. Right? Okay. So what about 4,000 characters? Ranulya, කවුරු හරි girl කෙනෙක් කියන්න අපිට? Ranulya, Danuli, can anyone tell?
4082 bytes. The size. The size in this case 4096 bytes.
Okay, that is Deomin, no? Danuli, yes, can you tell? Danuli or
Deolini.
Ranulya, anyone? Yes? Danuli? I just need answer from a girl. Rehansa?
Still doing it, sir.
Still doing it, right? Okay. Yes, Ali? Still doing it? Don't type one by one, right? Use the copy paste. Use the copy paste style. Okay, I think maybe anyway, you have to do this, right? You have to do really.
4079 bytes.
4079 bytes. Okay. 4079. 4079. So anyway, you get 4000. That's for sure. Because 4000. Yes, 4000 characters. For sure, you will get 4000. But I wonder how you got 79, let's say 79 should be 40 lines means 39 enter keys. 39 enter keys means into 2. 39 into 2 is
78.
8. Yeah, 78 bytes. I think one more. Right? So yes, what is the size here? 4 KB. Here size again, I think.
Sir, they are going to be T.
Sorry.
They are going to be T in the bytes. It's like bytes.
Yeah. BITES. BYTES. Okay. So what is the size in disk? Size in disk? Size on disk, yes. Danli, your microphone, I think, again, is not working.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I got 5050 lines as on size is for 5108 bytes and size on disk is 8192 bytes.
Okay. Here, what is the size on disk for this one? 4000 lines?
4096.
Yeah, 4 KB. 4 KB, exactly 4 KB.
Yeah.
So 6000 lines should be 6000 into plus 59 lines into 2 means 59 into 2 means 16 to 2, 120, 118. It is 118 bytes. And here, what is the size? That's what I really need. What is the size on disk? And here it is 8000 plus, it should be 79 lines into 2 equal to
108.
8. Yes,
Sorry, sir.
158.
8158. Yes.
Sir, I got 6028 bytes.
Which one?
6000 characters in 60 lines.
6000 characters in 60 lines. What is the value you got?
6028.
No, cannot be.
And the size on disk is 8192.
Yeah, it's 8 KB.
Yeah, it is 8 KB.
Yeah, this one I think there's some mistake. Let's say 6000 lines. I think there's some mistake, right? 8000 lines. It should be 80, 158 and bytes. And so what is the size? Should be 8 KB.
Yes, 8 KB.
Yes.
Sir, or you can multiply it by the quantity of 4000 characters.
Yes. Quantity of quantity of 4096. Right. So that's how. Okay, the relationship is something like this. Okay, let's identify the relationship now. Now you know how size of the file is depend on the. So actually, in grade 7, you don't need this kind of mathematics. If your parents do in IT, then definitely he or she will scold me why you are teaching this kind of mathematics for grade 7 kids, because this is not necessary. I know that, but thing is, you have to identify the relationship, how this disks and why there are two types, why there are two sizes in files, because that is a practical issue. When you go and see, right click in any file, so here you can see 3.98 KB and 4 KB in the disk. So why this? So right click, go to properties, and then you can see 7.96 KB and 8 KB. So if you double this, so let's double this, Control A, Control X, Control V, and again Control V, save. And now you have 16,000 characters. Right click, properties, and it is 15.9 and 16 KB. So what is this? So basically, it's like mugs, and it's like mugs and water. So what is that? Mugs and water. Right, assume that you got mugs. You got mugs with 200 milliliter capacity. You got a mug with 200 milliliter. You got mugs with 200 milliliter capacity. How many mugs you need to put 1000 to 340 milliliter? How many mugs you need?
7.
7. Okay, 7 mugs. You need 7 because so each one will fill up with the 200 milliliter. Yes, 7. It's 7. So straightforward question. So how many? So that means what is the capacity of mug? Capacity of mugs? Capacity of mugs? It is 7 into 200 equal 1400 milliliter. So you can put up to 1400. Okay. Let's say how many mugs you want to fill 40 milliliter? How many mugs
1.
you need to fill? It's
1.
one.
1 mug.
Capacity of mugs? Capacity?
200 milliliters.
Yes, it's
200
milliliters. 200 milliliters. So how many mugs you need to fill like 1000? Okay, let's say 202 milliliters.
2.
2 mugs.
2 mugs.
What is the capacity?
200.
200 milliliters.
Yes, this is how computers store files. Right? This is how computers store files. That's why 4KB came even for 1 byte. Mac says 4KB. Windows 7 said 4KB, but Windows 10, it will take some time. Forgive Windows 7. But anyway, it needs some space, but it says 0. It doesn't care. But anyway, even for 1 byte, it needs 4 KB. Even for 10 byte, 4 KB. 508, 4 KB. 1018, 4 KB. 2000, 4 KB. So 4078, still 4 KB because 4 KB means what is the value of 4 KB? 4096 bytes.
Bytes.
Because 1 KB is equal to, previously we learned 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. That we learned previous lesson. 1 KB is equal to 1024. So you multiply by 4, it is 4096. If it is 4078, still you can put in 4 KB. If it is 6000, no, now you need 2 mugs. That's why 8 KB. If it is 8000, you can do this with 8 KB. If it is like, let's say if it is, okay, let's say it is 21 KB. What is the answer for this one? If it is 124 KB, what is the answer for this one? If it is 102 KB, what is the answer? If it is 3 KB, what is the answer for this one? Can you tell? 21 KB. What is the size on disk? Yes.
32 kilobytes.
You need 32. So each mug size is 4 KB. So here size
Means
of the mug. Yeah,
all are going from 4 multiple.
Yeah, multiples of 4. So it's like this, right?
Okay.
Here it's like this. When you have 21 KB, something like this. Sorry, I missed that.
24.
Yes, it's you need 24 here. Something like this. Right, let me show this. clearly. If it is 21, it will start from 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and one more KB, but you need 4 KB. Understood? This 4 KB thing actually depends on everyone understood? Hamotama therunada?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
This 4 KB is not always 4 KB, right? It depends on the disk and how you format the disk. So let's write down that as well. I'll send you the note for that because now time is like 9:06. No, I'll send you the note. So
Sir,
or take a
sir,
print
can't
screen.
understand what you told that for that it වෙනස් වෙනවයි කියලා අර මේ
Yes, it's changing.
ටැබ් එකේ
Yes, this
yes, sir.
depends on how you format the disk or storage media.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Mugs and water කියලා තියෙන ටික ලියා ගන්න ඕනද?
ලියන්න එක හොඳයි පුතේ, but now time is not enough, so take a print screenshot of this, right? Take a screenshot of this and later write down.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I'll forward you the lesson, right? I'll
Okay, sir.
forward you the note. I just wanted to explain this, but it took more time than I thought, right? So please find the answers for this one. When I am sending I send this document to you now, to your WhatsApp group. So I'll send it to grade 7 English medium WhatsApp group, right? So if you are not in the group, please request me personally, then I'll send it to you. Okay, this 4 KB size, it depends on how you format the disk and storage media. Maybe, okay, example, in high speed memory card, store pictures in DSLR camera. This can be 16 KB, 64 KB, etc. Because picture size is very high, so it uses large units, large clusters to store the file. So here I'm using a high-speed disk in my, basically it's in DSLR camera. So if I create a file here in this DSLR, or if I copy a file which I have created, so let me show this. New find the window and desktop. In my desktop, I had the research one, the folder which I created for research, this one. So you saw this file is, okay, 21 bytes and 4 KB, 21 bytes, 4 KB. Let me copy the file and paste this in high speed. So in my high speed memory. So this is, I'm using this for DSLR camera, but it filled with some other documents. Let's right click and get info. And you can see now it is 131 KB here. I just copy the same file, but see the size now. Size is 21 bytes, but it stores in 131 KB cluster. That's why I said device to device, storage media to media, it's different. Right? Sandavi, when accident like that happen, ඔයාට ඒ වගේ අර කට් වෙන මොකක් හරි එකක් වුණාම control Z එක ගහන්න. Control and Z, that will undo. Control and Z, that will undo. Okay, please understand. Right. Okay, please understand this. I copied the same thing into high speed media. Now size is 131, but original size is 21. What has happened in my high speed media? This bucket size is larger. It has large mugs, large one. It's 131 KB. size. Right? Further, we can discuss about that. For an example, so if you move water from a beaker, එක බැරල් එක තියෙන වතුර අපි චූටි බීකර් එකකින් ගෙනිච්චොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Is it slower or faster?
Slower.
It's slower. What happens if you are using a large bucket to transport that? Then faster.
Easy.
Yes, then it will be faster. So that's how that's what happened in this memory. So in this memory, the size is large. The size is large. The cluster size. It is a bucket. It is large bucket, but this is a beaker. In my hard disk, it's a beaker. In my memory card, it's a large bucket. That's the difference. Okay, no need to think much about that, but that is a technical thing. ඒකේ හරියටම තේරෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ ටික කරගන්නකෝ. So please understand this part. Then later we will understand the other parts. Right. Now it's 9:12. Sorry. So let's finish the class now, right? Okay. You need to sleep. Right. So I'll send the
Good
document
night,
to you.
sir.
Right? Okay. Good night. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Nice day, sir.
Good
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Night. Bye.